Hey guys, what's up? Thank you for tuning into another video. Before we get into it, I just want to say that the Feel Real Bread t-shirt just dropped online at tomstefanic.com. Link at the top of the description, or just search up tomstefanic.com. Worldwide shipping on the Feel Real Bread t-shirt, so if you guys are part of the Real family and feel real and want to support what we do here on the channel, tomstefanic.com, link in the description. Just dropped, sizes will sell out quick. Thank you guys very much. Here's the situation today. We are in Tribeca right now. Partap has been wearing questionable basketball shoes all week.
Come on, man, they're not that bad. Got like 2 years out of them, great price. They're holding up.
Par wants to go buy some new shoes, which I'm definitely an advocate of because neither of us have bought shoes while we've been here over the past 3 days. So we're gonna go buy some new shoes today, hopefully. Do you know what you wanna get?
Maybe. Got a slight idea.
Since we're in the area, I think we're gonna go over to Nike Lab and maybe Kith as well, just for the type of shoes that Par's looking for. Are you balling out, or like sort of balling out, or balling on a budget?
Definitely budget.
Honestly, not what I wanted to hear, and not what the clickbait title wanted to hear. At least you're sort of balling a little bit.
Nah, I'm dropping at least 2 racks. Bro.
You're dropping 2 racks?
Easy.
Oh, okay, this is a, let's go. Got him?
Yep, got him.
Okay, Par, I'm leaving it up to you. Show us the shoes. What did you purchase?
Alright, so we got the Nike ACG React something something, long name, you know how it goes.
Ooh, not bad. Not bad. Let's check these out. Okay, so it's mostly black. Got some like charcoal in there. Got some little hits of purple. These are actually pretty cool. I personally wouldn't wear these. Like I don't know, I don't wear clothes that would look good with these. These are really cool. React foam. This crazy like Gore-Tex feeling upper. This is gonna be great in the rain and maybe a little bit of the snow. I mean, it's ACG, which if you guys didn't know, Nike's ACG stands for All Conditions Gear.
It says it like 5 different places.
Oh, it says it all over the shoe, so I don't think anyone could actually forget that. It says All Conditions Gear all over the shoe. These are sick. These are really, really cool. Non-marking rubber. That's what I like to see. This is a really cool pair of shoes. Good choice. I think retail's what, 150?
Yeah, 150.
Good choice, sir. Good pair of shoes. First New York pickup. I mean, it's nothing hyped, but I mean, this is still a cool pair of shoes. It is sadly the last day of August today, which is just depressing. Where did summer go? Like seriously, summer just absolutely disappeared, but it is beautiful outside today. I heard that it's like pouring rain and 60 degrees at home, which is really, really depressing, but it is good here right now. And I'm really excited to be at least enjoying a few more days of good weather before the winter comes in. We are in Washington Square Park right now. We're in the neighborhood of a few cool sneaker stores that I do want to hit up. There's some good Foot Lockers. There's a very good Foot Action Jordan brand store, which I want to go to. Flight 23 or whatever they call them. There's also a dude playing a xylophone there. So that's cool. Oh wow, okay, there's a lineup outside of Foot Action. I don't know what this is for. They could be giving out extra tickets or wristbands for Flight 23 maybe, for the Jordan 1s, fingers crossed, possibly? What you guys lined up for?
Jordan 1 Obsidian.
Are they giving out more wristbands, or what's the deal?
I think it's just the public, but
oh, Lord. Okay, we are getting in line. I don't know how long we have to stand here, but we're getting in line. I don't know if you guys saw yesterday's video, but there was like cops called at 5th Avenue, and there's this dude that just like became everyone's father for 5 minutes. It was quite the experience. I didn't get the shoes because the cops shut down the release, but if we can get them here, I was just expecting to look at like regular shoes, but if we can get them here, that would be amazing.
Anyone that got a wristband, come to the front.
We're finally getting in. No one knows how many pairs they have left. 2 kids have wristbands in front of us, and there's like 4 or 5 other people in front of us. I completely take that back. There's like 30 more wristband kids that showed up out of nowhere. I don't think we're getting the shoes now. Okay, we're calling it. There's way too many people in front of us with wristbands now. I don't know if I can hop this fence in jeans. This is gonna be an adventure. Oh my goodness, yeah, we did it. Sort of. Oh, I didn't die. Okay, good luck in the lineup, guys. This was terrible. What a waste of 45 minutes, oh my goodness. Since we're here though, I mean, we can still go inside the regular store. We won't get the Jordans, but I mean, Might as well. Oh my goodness, I don't know if this is a Memphis Tigers colorway or something, but we got a pair of Galaxy Zoom rookies in this crazy tiger print, this blue and black and white, on sale for $1.50. I've never seen these before, ever. These are insane. I'm not buying them. I mean, I don't advocate anyone buying them. These are very loud. Like Derrick Rose maybe could buy them, and other people that went to Memphis. But besides that, I mean, cool looking shoe though, I guess. Okay, I mean, we're not getting the Obsidian UNCs, but they do have a lot of other Jordan 1s. They have the ones that I'm rocking on feet today, actually, the New York to Paris SBs. Mine look way better because I rubbed the paint off them already, but I mean, this is a sick pair of shoes. And like, I think this is probably a size 12, so I could buy like a third pair if I wanted to. And they have the Gym Reds sitting here as well, which are really nice. This looks like my size as well. I already got both of these. They also have the swooshless. They have these really cool yellow mids. Like, there's a lot of Jordan 1s here actually, besides the ones that I was actually trying to get today, which really sucks. Okay, I don't want to overhype this, but this is like prohibitively the best news that we've heard all week. I just got tipped off about a sneaker store in the area that has some of the most limited release. You know what? It's actually the most limited releases in the entire city of New York. And no one really knows about it. No one really shops there. And I got tipped off about it. And there are shoes here that release at no other stores in the entire world. Like, they're only available at this one particular sneaker store, which is insane to me. I can't give away the location of the store. I promised the guy who told me that I wasn't gonna tell you exactly where it was, but there's a pair of shoes that I need to go pick up there. Like, literally, this is the only store in the world that you can buy these from. So I'm gonna go scoop them up and we're gonna take a look at it. This is the coolest thing I've ever heard of in terms of New York sneaker stores. All right, so let's get straight into it right here. We got this black bag from I mean, it's technically a pop-up store. I was talking to the people that were working there, and it's technically a pop-up store, which is maybe why a lot of people haven't heard about it. But I was able to pick up this pair of shoes from the store. Now, it is a pair of Vans, which is not something I usually pick up. I do have a couple pairs of Vans. I do enjoy certain models of Vans. Generally, the skate highs is my favorite. Also, the old school lows are pretty cool as well. But this store had Vans that don't release anywhere else in the world. And that is not hyperbole. This is the only store in the world that gets these shoes. And if I ever get the opportunity to get something that limited for $80, I'm always gonna pick it up, just because, like, especially if I like the colorway of it. It's a cool piece to have, in my opinion. So I picked up these Vans skate highs that are 100% New York Mets themed, but I am going to say that they are New York Knicks themed. These only exist at this store. It's the only store you can get them from, which blows my mind. I'm probably gonna say that another 10 times throughout this video. But on this side, we have the white pinstripes with the orange leather Van stripe with the blue suede. The suede is really, really good materials, and you have this crazy good leather on the inside of the shoe. I mean, the leather is actually ridiculously nice on the inside of this shoe. Now, on the medial side of the shoe, we move over from these pinstripes to the solid blue with the orange Van stripe. It's a sort of a denim-y, a canvas material on most of the blue, with the suede on the eyelets and on the heel as well. So I mean, the materials are very good. The colorway is something really unique. You have that inside outside flip, which is something you don't see too often. And as I said, it's the only store in the world that you're going to get these from. So this is a very unique pickup. You're not gonna find these every day. This is not something you're gonna see other people wearing out on the street. So that is why I wanted to pick these up. They were only $80. So I mean, worst case scenario, I decide I don't want these. I can easily sell these for what I paid. So it was a no-brainer to me. Like, I did impulse buy these. This is my favorite pair of shoes that they had in the store. I impulse bought them 100%, but if I decide I don't want them, I can definitely get my money back. So I wasn't too worried about that. Plus, they're only $80. And honestly, these are the most limited sneakers you can buy in New York City, which is insane. Like, you'd think, oh, I'm gonna get some crazy Yeezys or some crazy Nike collaboration for the most limited pair of shoes in New York City. But no, this is the most limited pair of shoes you can buy in New York City, which is absolutely amazing. Guys, that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate every single one of you for tuning in, enjoying my day in New York that I had so much fun sharing you guys with. Did that sentence make any sense? I don't think that sentence made any sense. Anyway though, guys, I do appreciate you tuning in every single day. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that notification button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, because we're gonna be posting a bunch more New York content. We're going to Asia in the next couple of months. A whole bunch of exciting things are gonna be happening on the channel, and I think you guys will really enjoy tuning in every single day to see what we're up to. Let me know what you think of these down in the comment section below, and if you're still watching at this point in the video, comment "I am the greatest." Not me, not comment Tom is the greatest, comment "I am the greatest" down in the comment section below, and whichever "I am the greatest" comment gets the most likes is then actually the greatest. So we'll have a little bit of a competition down in the comment section below. Guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart. You're my favorite people on earth. I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video in New York freaking City. So until then, peace.